Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Seeing the low search volume warning can be frustrating, especially when you believe your keywords is relevant. In Google Ads 2026, this message means Google expects very few searches for that keyword. And in today's tutorial, I'll show you how to fix low search volume and still get traffic and conversions. The first thing you want to do is to understand what low search volume means. Now, once you log into your Google Ads account, you can log in with your Google account, your normal Google account, and click on Start and begin your adventure in Google Ads. Now, after you do that, you're going to click on Start Now to start your business. Once you finish setting up your business, the thing to understand about low search volume is it means very few users search for that keyword. Keyword is too specific or seasonal or trending decline. Google pauses delivery automatically. So the second thing is to change the keyword match type. Now, if you're using the exact match, try to switch to phrase match. For example, best red running shoes size 42. You're gonna just choose red running shoes. The third thing is to use keywords planner. You're gonna go to the tools and settings and then click on keywords planner. That's after you set up your business, you're gonna enter your informations here. And then you're gonna look for high volume variation, synonyms, broader intent keywords, and replace low volume keywords. The fourth thing to do is to combine similar keywords. Instead of many tiny keywords, merge them over into fewer broader keywords. And let Smart Bidding optimize. The fifth thing is to wait if keywords is seasonal. Some keywords reactivate during sales, holidays, events, so monitor trends before deleting. And also, make sure to avoid ultra-long keyword phrases. Use phrase plus broad for discovery and check Google Trends for seasonality. You can check Google Trends by going to Google, or you're going to click on Google. Let's go here. Type in search bar Google, and then you're going to search for Google Trends. Like this. And then here you can click on this website right here and you can browse for Google Trends. You can click on and enter your keyword here and click on explore. Now low search volume doesn't mean failure, it means adjustment. By broadening match types, using keyword planner and optimizing structure, you can unlock traffic and keep your campaigns active. And that's it for today's tutorial. If you like this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.